Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Gather tools and supplies before you start so assembly flows without interruption. Use a 2-foot dowel, a 12-inch foam ball, and 2 yards of polyester batting. Choose pink and white fiberfill and food-safe pink spray paint if using real sugar. Prepare a cotton candy machine or a hot glue gun and scissors for fake floss assembly. Also have a 6-inch wooden base, 3-inch metal washer, and 4 screws to anchor the dowel. Work on a protected surface, and wear gloves when dyeing or handling hot sugar. Mount the trunk first so the crown sits straight and stable. Mount the 2-foot dowel into a 6-inch wooden base with a 3-inch washer and 4 screws. Skewer the 12-inch foam ball onto the dowel and secure with hot glue at the base. Wrap polyester batting around the foam ball in 3 overlapping layers to simulate cotton candy. For realism, tease the fibers outward and compact lightly with your fingers. Keep the top slightly flattened to hold a topper like a paper cone or faux cherry. Finish with color and decorative accents to make the tree photogenic and durable. Lightly mist with food-safe pink spray paint or airbrush dye for durable, even color. Add accents: 1-yard ribbon garland, 6 paper cones, and 1 faux cherry for scale. Secure ribbon ends with a dot of hot glue and tuck seams behind fibers. If you used real spun sugar, keep the piece refrigerated and display under a dome. Otherwise, store the decorative tree in a plastic tub away from heat and moisture to maintain shape for up to 12 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.